Derek with the Eliminex. We're spraying the sanitizer, deodorizer, viricide mix. We just did a back cleanup. We vacuumed up all the surface bat droppings. And now I'm ready to spray the mix on top. That's going to neutralize, encapsulate everything. You know, whatever remnants are left, bacteria. We spray the rafters and the sheathing. In the spring and summer, it gets a little volatile, the contamination. So whatever residues left over, you know, could have an odor. So this will definitely stop that immediately. And then when it dries, it won't leave any residue. Won't leave any fumes or any kind of residue. You won't even smell it. It'll dry clear after a couple hours. During the spring and even summer, I mean, it dries pretty much immediately, and it just bonds with the surface. I gotta wear my mask, but it's like dust up here. So I'm gonna finish this up. This will take about 40 minutes to hit the rafters and the sheathing and everything. Gotta wear my mask. And then I'll take some photos, make the report. Show that everything's clean, nice and healthy, and certify the house, you know, clean.